What if I told you that you can make $2 on autopilot every single time? Only thing that user have to do is install a simple app or extension, web browser extensions on their computer, and you make $2 every single time on autopilot. The website I'm going to show you guys going to pay you. Start with the $2 after $100. And depend on the app or the extension, the payment is differ, and you get paid to install the app or extensions on their web browsers. You don't have to do that. This is an affiliate network. You need to promote this offer, and if say for example you try with traffic 100 traffic to the offer and 2 people install that, if that each app or the extension pay you $10, you can make $20 or $4. It depends on the offers, guys, but it's in autopilot and you can make money from it. In this video I'm going to show you everything that you need to do and how you can set it up, and how much you can pay it up and which countries are allowed, and everything I will talk about in a minute, guys. Before that, if you are new to my channel, subscribe the button and press the bell icon. Don't forget to like the videos. It will give a boost to me, and if I can make lots of video like that. I understand that you like those videos, guys. So we just jump into the videos. The things you need to understand about this website is gonna pay you $100 per installations. Okay, installation on Windows or Mac or even both computers. Sometimes it's a web browser app or extension or some simple program. People need a different program like PDF converters and YouTube video download like that. There's a different program. I already signed up this account, and my account also in review, so I can show you the offers and dashboard right now. But you can sign up. I will talk about everything in a minute, guys. So you can get paid $200 for installation. The amount depend on the offer. These are the initial country allowed, but if you want to contact outside this country, for example UK, USA, Canada and Australia, if you live in outside the country, for example you live in India, you can send the email. Use this email address here. They ask you to send email about where you live in, how you can promote those offers and everything, and they will review that and they accept your account, guys. So if you see that, for example here, this network, this is an affiliate network where you get paid for every approved install generated by your traffic. If you send the 100 traffic and each say for example 3 person install that, and you get paid. But remember this installation will happen voluntary. You don't have to forcefully install any plugins or app, because user had to install that voluntarily, otherwise then you don't get paid, guys. That's one very important thing you need to be careful. And initially $2 payout, and you can get paid if you are living in these 4 countries. You get paid, your account will be approved in a minute. And how you can start the network, you can sign up and you can give the detail and the traffic source. You need to, the one thing very clearly, you need to put all the traffic source you can private traffic from. So for me it's YouTube and my website. For you guys, you can put social media and YouTube. It's depend on how you can generate most of the traffic, and anyone can be join this account. How long is the review process? Take at least 3 days, and when you get paid 3 to 5 days or 5 to 7 working days, depend on it, guys. And payment method is Bitcoin. And this is one of the issue with this. There is no minimum amount withdrawal. You can withdraw $2 or $10, $100 anytime you want. You can withdraw, but the initial payment method is Bitcoin. Or if you don't want the Bitcoin, you can contact them through the email and say you don't want the Bitcoin. You go on the PayPal or bank transfer. They will do that, guys. But initial method is Bitcoin, and there is no minimum payout. And how much you can earn potentially is unlimited. Then some people are making over 10 grand, guys. That you can initially make at least 100 to 200 every single week. Is depend on your guys, but initially you can make $2 in autopilot every time people install something on their web browser or on their computer. So we go to the page here. This is the app. This is the things you're gonna look like. So for example, they install these plugins on the web browser app or extension, and you get paid, guys. So you can see that this website is called the@net. So there's a -ad.net. I will put a link in the bottom. You can go and sign it up. and you can see from here profitable cooperation terms and a ready-to-meet promo material, flexible payout and withdrawal with no hold limits and friendly support. And they will provide a landing page and banners and the links you initially needed to promote each item, so you don't have to worry about anything, guys. So it's really, guys, you can make $2 in Autopilot every single time. So if you want to try out, go and check it out. First, if you go to click sign up button, it will take to this page where you need to fill the information like your name, email, company, and the website is important, and the estimated amount of installation per week. You know how much traffic you can generate in a particular affiliate offer. So you can say, for example, if you can bring at least 1000 traffic per week, you can say estimated installation was 20% of that, or 20 installation, depend on that traffic, guys, and describe as much possible where you can get the traffic, how you can do to get all the traffic, and they will review that in 3 days and approve your account, guys. I will show nearly 99% they will approve your account, but again you need to provide all this information. Alright, guys, if you really like my videos, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon, and don't forget to like my videos. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.